So another little tidbit of thoughts from me as I decided to wash my car. I got all the stuff. I got the sponges, I got the towels, I got the soap, and I washed my car, right? Very clean. It's kind of like getting the yoga mat, getting the Yogi Toe, getting the Lululemon, getting all the stuff, and then going to our first class. And then, you know, we're feeling mighty clean, maybe a little sweaty, and then we decide to look inside the car, the body. And what do we see? A mess. It's the beginning of the cleanse. Nowhere near done, but it sure does look nice and shiny on the outside, right? Have a happy weekend.